Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is 13 post-accident, but the whole reason we're doing this little video today is so you can hear the difference between the stock exhaust and the Competition Werkes GP slip-on that will be fitted to her here very soon. So let's go ahead and do the difference in sound. One thing I've noticed before I fire it up is with a stock exhaust you definitely hear more clutch than anything. So I'll let you hear it with your own ears. I'm using the iPhone 6 for this recording, so sound quality won't be all that great compared to some other things I could be doing, but it does the job. So here we go. See where she's been beaten up a little bit there. She has a broken handguard, bent handlebar, and a bunch of other things. Well, let's go ahead and fire it up right now. Definitely you get a lot of clutch with this. Now it is a little early in the morning, so I'm not going to go ahead and really hold it open, but kind of give you a better idea. So stay tuned. We'll go ahead and get the Competition Werkes GP slip-on ordered and installed in the next few days, so I'll be in touch. Wingman out.